everyone and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're going to be making some really cute cat bookmarks. So I got this silicone mold from UV Resin and it has the cutest cats on there. Just take a look. Oh my goodness. I think these are going to turn out super cute. We are going to make these bookmarks out of UV resin. So I have my colored UV resin, I have some glitter, and of course I have my UV lamp, which we're going to use to cure the resin. So are you guys ready? Let's go ahead and get started. So these molds do tell you how much resin you're going to need. For the entire mold, you're going to need 2.7 fluid ounces of resin. And this is for 4 cats and a paper clip. But today we're going to be just doing 2 cats, so we're going to need less resin. Let's take a quick look at the mold. Here we have these big cat eyes, and then we have a very shallow section here for you to insert into the book. So what we're going to do is fill in the cat mold first, cure it, and then finish the bookmark section. For the eyes, instead of filling it in, I'm actually going to be using these little round eyes. So I got these from Amazon. These are 10mm wide eyes, and we have some cat ones and some regular round ones. I've gone ahead and picked these 2 sets for our cats. Let's go ahead and place these eyes face down. So I marked the back here so that we know which way to orient the eyes. So this one is going to go in here. Let's go ahead and start filling in the crevices with the colored UV resin. And I'm going to cure as we go. This will keep the colors from sliding. We don't need to do a full cure, we can just do about 10 seconds. Alright, so these 2 cats are almost done. We got all the different colors in, and now we're going to fill in the rest of the bookmark. I'm going to start with some clear. I'm going to add some colors up here. More clear up here. Now I'm going to add some glitter. Orange on one side and pink on the other. Okay, I'm gonna mix it up. And then we're gonna finish it off with more resin. Once we're done with the design, we're gonna cure it. And this time I'm gonna give it a full 5 minutes. Alright, so we're done. And this is gonna be a little bit hot to the touch. So let's give it a few minutes to cool down. Alright, and we are ready to demold. Oh my gosh, this is going to be super fun. Here is the first cat. This turned out so cute. Oh my gosh, look at his face. And the eyes are just perfect. Look at this. Super cool. And look, the tips of her paws are white. I love the little white patches and then the colors of the purple and pink. Okay, now for the next one, this is the orange one. And here is the orange one. Oh my goodness, this one turned out super cute too. Look at this. Okay, now let's go ahead and try it with the book. So here is the first one. Just gonna slide it in like this. And look, the paws are resting on top of the book. That's super cute. Let's put our second one in. And oh my goodness, this is adorable. So it looks like we have the little cat jumping out of the book, whereas the second one is just resting. Aren't these cute? And the eyes turned out great. So this eye is a little bit turned, but I think that's okay. It still looks really, really cute. And of course, the bottom of the bookmark is also really pretty. We got lots of glitter here, we got some color, and it's pretty thin. So what do you guys think? Would you make one for yourself? What colors would you use? And if you're interested in making these bookmarks for yourself, I do have some links to the products on Amazon down below in the description. All right, see you next time. Bye.